In this video, I'm going to share with you how to add tracks to existing tracks in Audacity. Please join me on this easy, simple journey. Hey, do I have something to tell you?
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Blah, 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 yap, yap, yap.
Settle down.
I have two audio tracks I'd like to join together. Here is the first one. If you like this short video on how to merge tracks in Audacity without the extra steps. And here is the second one. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. You can drag and drop the audio tracks you are joining together directly into Audacity, or you can import the audio tracks from your computer by clicking File, Import, Audio, and typing the name of the first audio track into the file name box. Click Open. Repeat the same steps for the second audio track. If you like this short video on how to merge tracks in Audacity without the extra steps, you need to click the solo button on the track you are working on to isolate it from the other tracks. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. I want to remove the silences from the tracks before joining them together. Click the selection tool. Highlight the area by left-clicking the mouse and dragging it over the part you want to cut out. Right-click on the mouse, select Cut. Continue doing this until you are satisfied with the results. Repeat the same steps for the second track. Don't forget to click the solo button on the second track before you start working on it. Now comes the easy part. Left-click on the mouse at the end of the first audio track. Hold it and move the arrow to the right as far as it will go. Put the mouse arrow next to the name on the second track. You can grab the track when the arrow changes to a hand. Right-click, hold it, and drag it over. Repeat these steps until the empty space next to the top track is even with the bottom track. Line up the bottom track to the top track by using the yellow line which indicates where the top track ends. Grab the bottom track and move it up next to the top track. Highlight the last track by right-clicking on it and dragging the arrow to the beginning of the first audio track. Left-click at the beginning, then click the play button. If you like this short video on how to merge tracks in Audacity without the extra steps, please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. If you like this short video on how to merge tracks in Audacity without the extra steps, please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. If you like this short video on how to merge tracks in Audacity without the extra steps, please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below.